everyone, Alina here, and today I'm gonna show you how I create on short nails beautiful design. Before we started, we have to first remove the nails. It's about 6 weeks old. You can see they're quite long, so we have to cut it first for we not work too much with the file, and after what it's left I remove with a file ceramic bit. When I finish to remove all the product, cut cuticle, shape it and tidy up, let's say, then I put prep and primer. Like always basic things what we normally do when we apply gel polish. And after when I finish with prep and primer, I'm apply base coat. And base coat I will cure it in 30 seconds on the lamp UV and LED. How you see it, we have two nails, what it's damaged and what it's have a crack, and for fix that I will use my favorite fiber gel. So I can apply a little bit fiber gel where it's crack, and I use my torch, a UV torch, just to cure it little bit. Rest we're gonna cure it in the lamp. To make your nails stronger, because she normally come back from 4 to 6 weeks to me, I am apply for all nails small amount of fiber gel with the brush. You don't have to file it after, so one by one nail I will apply fiber gel, cure it, because if you apply every single nail with the fiber gel, it might be run to the cuticles. So I use only one by one, cure it between about 30 to 40 seconds. So for me it's actually easier when I'm applying in one nail, when she is put in the lamp, then I use another nail. When I finish, I put in the lamp. Sometimes I see it, I can do 2 at a time, but not more than 2 on the time. For nice effect, we are apply a little bit of oil and just little bit a small touch before we start to draw. When I finish my application with fiber gel and I cure it already everything, then I start to draw white line around nail. And you don't have to wipe it sticky layer. Fiber gel it is sticky, so normally all gel it's sticky, most of it. You don't need to wipe it sticky layer, you can straight away drawing near to cuticles area, and in the end 1-2 nails on the time. For our nail not look boring and just pink flower what I'm gonna add just now, I start to draw in some nails green leaves. Dark green color I use a little bit of light green. I have a gel paint. For me it's actually easier to draw because it gives more tiny effect. If I draw with gel polish, then it start to be kind of runny and it's not give me sharp effect. When I'm done with leaves, I'm apply a small amount of my foil gel for I'm stick after that my foil flowers what I will prepare during process. So normally I'm apply, and when I'm waiting client gonna curate her nails, I have another few minutes, so I'm cut it out from the foil just flowers what I will need to stick. And with one press, one touch, I am apply all my flowers. You see how easy it is and amazing. You don't have to be super creative. I think most difficult part is white gel paint, what you have to draw around nail. That's it. So after when I finish application my foil, then I'm apply a top coat. You can use shiny top coat or you can use matte top coat, it's up to you. I use shiny top coat because client wanted, and look how nice this result is, and client so excited, she loved it result. She says it's most beautiful nails she's having for a long time. So I hope you enjoy my video, and don't forget to support me with like. See you in the next video.